Okay, we have, if you hear any dog whining, it's Ava in the background. She wants to get out of her cage and get into the action here. But you can see what we found here. And if you look, you can see a little hole, so it was still draining, but that's a problem. And I'm surprised because I think if I push, oh no, there is a, I'll clean out the one side. There is a metal, or not a metal, plastic thing right there, so it just basically built up on that. Now I am starting to put it back together. So the other thing I should mention is I silicone the little ridges like right here, and then when I tighten this down, I only hand tighten it and don't wrench on it. That doesn't seem to help. I've tried that in the past and it just makes it more leaking. So do a little bit of silicone, snug them down good and snug, and then test it, and hopefully it will be good. So we'll finish cleaning this out and then we'll get the rest back together.